So here is, there's the popcorn in a rice cooker. I got some oil in there and it's popping. There's already one popping. I gotta close the top. Only thing that sucks is that we gotta hold the button, so I use a knife to hold the cooker. I don't have a microwave in the house. It's just bad having microwaves. They just are no good. Just causes you to make bad foods and bad choices of health-wise. But look at it popping, guys! It's popping. Alright, I'll show you the results afterwards. Well, this is the results, guys. And I get kettle popcorn. I like sweet popcorn. Not so much on the butter popcorn. Didn't take too long to do it. But it's so worth it. It's so good. You could eat some too. Alright, well, thanks you for watching my YouTube video with a rice cooker making popcorn.